I asked my colleague also to try it. We spritz it on her and it lasted on her the entire day. I went crazy. One product but I highly recommend it. Fillers डाल दिया हो मेरे lips पे. Moisturizers this brand makes, the products these brands have, it is amazing. Hey Jelly fam, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज के वीडियो में, but you have not planned this video. It's just gonna go naturally, smoothly, nicely. So yeah, by the title you must have guessed it that there are products which I purchased during Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I know I'm a little bit late to it, but still I thought I'll share what all I purchased. There is no order to it, but I have like hair care, skin care, perfumes, makeup. So मैंने इन सबको मिला के ये लुक किया है एंड ये वीडियो बनाया है. नाउ नॉट एवरीथिंग आई हैव यूज्ड इज न्यू और लाइक जस्ट बॉट फ्रॉम द सेल. देयर वर फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स जो मेरे पास न्यू है, नॉट बॉट फ्रॉम द नायका हॉट पिंक सेल, बट नए प्रोडक्ट्स है जिसको मैं 1-2 महीने से ट्राई कर रही थी. सो उसके बारे में भी मैंने आपको बताया है. एंड या रेस्ट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम द हॉट पिंक सेल. आई वुड recommend these products because none of them was a miss. Everything was a hit.
Amazing!
And you can keep them in mind so that next time when Nykaa comes up with these sales, you can check out for these products. Jump right into the video. Let's get started with skincare. Then we will jump into the makeup. So before I even get into the skincare, I want to talk about few body products that I ordered. The first thing, it had to be my Bath and Body Works. During these sales, I just stock up their products, and this time I ordered their Choco Shea Butter Body Lotion. And packaging is like literally, cocoa, shea butter, chocolate packaging. So cute. And what I like about this packaging is it comes with the twister. Holds the pump so that it doesn't get leak, and then you open it and then you do it so the product comes out. But this smells beautiful. It's truly cocoa plus shea butter. ये मैंने ऑफिस में जाने के पहले लगाया था मेरी बॉडी पे. I went to the office and till afternoon I could smell this lotion on my body. Feel it lasts on everyone differently, but for me luckily Bath and Body Works truly lasts on my body. If you get a chance, just go and buy it. And Nykaa पे ये sale में the prices are really good, so check it out. Second, let's move into the mist/perfume category. So because we just spoke about Bath and Body Works, I think people who are near and dear to me just know how much I love it. I truly love this brand. Their fragrances are good. Nothing goes wrong when I buy their product, and I've been purchasing Bath and Body Works since my college days, which was 2017 से लेके अभी तक almost purchased every year from them. So I really like this brand. I want to their mist. I ordered Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom Mist. I just felt like going to Japan and just like have that cherry blossom fragrance, and it's actually a powdery, that powder flower fragrance. So it's just like that. It lasts on me. This is their mist and this is their travel size mist, and trust me, इतना भी बहुत अच्छा खासा चलेगा आपको. So if you don't want the full product, just buy these small travel sizes. The third product is actually a perfume, and oh my god, you guys, I went crazy. My colleague also to try it. Spritz it on her and it lasted on her the entire day. On my jacket also I had spritzed this perfume and we could smell it. It's very affordable, and the perfume is by Plum. This is Plum Body Vanilla Caramello perfume. It smells like caramel vanilla. Like truly best part about this perfume is the vanilla is not overpowering. Otherwise मुझे पता है बहुत लोगों को sweet fragrances नहीं पसंद आती है, but this is not overpowering somehow, and it actually smells like just like vanilla and caramel. Like you will literally smell like a walking cupcake. So I highly recommend this perfume. It has to be one of the best purchase from my Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So when I ordered their perfume, I got these body lotions, the sample size, and I used it, and trust me, these are also amazing. A huge shout out to Plum. I feel their body lotions, their perfumes are affordable, super cute as well. Like look at this, this is so cute. Indian brand. So I think if you want some nice body products, you should check out Plum. Let's move on to some hair products. Actually I just have one product but I highly recommend it, and ये जैसे ही खत्म हो गया I reordered it, and that is this product. This is L'Oreal's Hyaluron Moisture Hydra Filling Night Cream. Is like chalta filta moisturizer for your hair. Trust me, the way आपकी skin को moisturizer लगता है, आपके बालों को भी लगता है वैसा moisturizer. Especially if you have colored dry hair just like me, you need something like this. It says night cream, but मैं तो honestly after I shower, wash my hair, when it's a little bit damp, I just apply this product and I leave it down my frizz like how. Adding such products in your vanity will make difference. Okay, बाल भी आपको thanks बोलेंगे, and you can come and thank me. So if you haven't tried this product, please try it. Again, it's very affordable. It cost for 500 rupees. I've emptied it in half, and this is my second purchase. So moisturizers this brand makes, the products are very gentle but extremely hydrating, and your skin feels as if like they are getting food to eat, and they just absorb into your skin beautifully. And this brand is none other than Bioderma. Me this moisturizer from Bioderma, आप मेरा पेज देख लीजिए, मेरे रील्स देख लीजिए, मैंने इतनी बार इसके बारे में बात किया, and I'm again gonna talk about it. This is Bioderma's Hot Derm Creme Ultra Nourishing Moisturizer. This is their barrier, strengthens the skin barrier, normal to dry sensitive skin, and it is absolutely meant for everyone. Literally, if you have dry skin, you're gonna use this and you're gonna thank me. Trust me guys, इतना बड़ा moisturizer है, मतलब can you see? This is so much, and it's only for 799 or 699 rupees. मतलब it's like your one-time investment. You just invest once in it, and this is gonna last you for more than a year. Like, I scraped out. This was my first purchase which I ordered like last year, and I've scraped it out. There is nothing left. जो भी इतना भी बचा कुछ, I'm gonna use it because I love this moisturizer so much. So if you're a dry skin, if you have flaky skin, if you have sensitive skin, if you just want your skin to feel light, fresh, is the moisturizer for you. This is Dermat approved moisturizer, and this brand knows what they are doing. They are not playing with their brand. So I ordered this Bioderma Sensibo Defensive Rich Cream, active soothing cream, sensitive, like again for sensitive skin. This is little bit thick compared to the previous one. So maybe how it works on makeup, क्योंकि honestly मैंने ये वाला moisturizer makeup के पहले use नहीं किया, मैंने वो वाला तो बहुत use किया, and it works great. And I mean I've loved using that moisturizer before. This is a thick moisturizer for sure. So if you're an oily skin, you can just see what variation will work for you. If not tried Bioderma, please try it out. If you're oily skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, just check out their products. I'm sure you'll find something which will suit you up. Sunscreen I'm just using Hyphen because I realized ये मेरी vanity पे पड़ा है, मैंने बहुत टाइम से use नहीं किया है, so I just like felt like using it, and I think this is a very glowy sunscreen.
I love Hyphen's product. So if you've never tried their product, I highly recommend you trying out their sunscreen. You can check out their barrier care cream. The original launch which they did, वो ऐसे ही कलर का packaging में आता है.
This sunscreen plus that moisturizer glow. This is L'Oreal का plumping oil जो मैंने order किया था, Plum Ambition Hyaluronic Lip Oil. This is in the shade 601, worth it. Now मैंने ये try किया है product, and to be honest मुझे ऐसा कुछ extra plumping था तो मुझे कुछ लगा नहीं है whilst using this product. Is it definitely lives, makes your lips look more juicy and nice. Like right before you do your lipstick, apply it right now. So by the end of the video, we can see what it did to my lips, and you guys can also see what it did to my lips. और sensation इतना ना लगे आपके lips पे. So yeah, I'm just applying it. It definitely has a little bit of color to it. Your lips feel very cool and it can sting a little bit. But मैंने ये hack निकाला है कि मैं lip balm लगा देती हूँ and then I apply this, तो मुझे इतना sting नहीं होता है. It's a fun product, I would say, and it's just like, you know, see, it just makes your lips. I'll just come a bit closer. Just like, it just gives that sheen, that sureness, just that glow on your lips. I doubt you should check it out. Nothing harmful in it. I really tried hard to buy a new concealer. I'm thinking K Beauty, but I think I'll go in the store and I will check it out. I'll take my Smashbox Halo Glow. इसके बिना तो मेरा बिल्कुल गुजारा नहीं है. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix my moisturizer a little bit because I just like my skin to be extremely hydrated and nice. I'm just gonna mix it. देखो, back of my hand. See, I'll apply this here like this. Like this. You guys see? On to another new makeup product, and this is Daily Life Forever 52 Contour Wand. अगर आपने Charlotte Tilbury का Contour Wand देखा है, and if you watch Tipsy Beauty का Contour Wand, I think this company has tried to do the same. So I really wanted a nice new fresh contour wand for myself. So let's try it. And what I liked about this is इसके भी applicator में ना आप उसको on कर सकते हो, so that the product comes out, and then you can switch it off, so that when you're traveling nothing is getting spilled. Come out on the sponge just like this. Do like very tiny. Oh wow. Okay, wow. The dots came out pretty tiny and nice. That's exactly what I wanted. अब मैं इसको ज़्यादा नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरे लिए भी फर्स्ट टाइम है. ये सब गिर रहा है मेरे हाथ में से. See what it looks like. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, this is so easy to blend, you guys. So easily, so smoothly. I did it in real time in front of you guys. The color is good. The color is really good. It seems very pigmented. To be honest, इतना pigmented ये है नहीं जितना ये दिखता है. So that's a good thing, which means that you can build up the product more the way you. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लेती हूँ. Just open this. Put here and here, here and here. It's blendable. See, I've blended it in real time. बहुत easily blend हो गया है. The color is also very good. It's not extremely red. It's not and it's like literally half the price of Charlotte Tilbury. अब concealer भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम तक लगो तो it just hugs your skin. But मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ा इसको blend करने में. So I am happy. It's amazing. It's like I've got like a very nice summer tan, summer glow on my face. Oh, okay. यार मुझे nose contour में बहुत डर लगता है because trust me, I'm not an expert at it. This brush, ये भी एक नया मैंने अच्छा खासा brush मंगवा के रखा है. Okay. Bad, not bad. It looks nice and natural. Mars Brow Palette. 249 rupees. Made in India. The only thing is कि उसका जो ये होता है ना, गिर गया. This wand and everything वो थोड़ा टूटा फूटा हुआ आया. But ठीक है, I don't mind it because I mean the price you're paying, the product should be good. The pulley that you get, which is broken, mine is broken, and this is the spatula. That's like 4 shades in here, like your light brown and your darks, just to mix and match it to your eyebrows. So ये 2 shades लूँगी क्योंकि मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ चाहिए नहीं. तो मैं पर्सनली ब्लैक को लूँगी एंड मैं थोड़ा ये वाला शेड लूँगी. Wow, it has a lot of fallout. Comment for my base right now. My base is basing. Truly, I'm loving the way my base has come out. Really, add strokes here. Wow. Okay. Okay, this product will definitely with precision for sure. Okay, you guys, not bad, not bad. Then going here. It will fill your brows. Can you see that? It definitely did fill my brows for sure. So it's not a bad product, to be honest. Oh shit, I had a very stark line. Oh god, oh god, oh god. End करते हैं इसको. अभी मेरे जैसे बिगनर होना एंड आपका ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है, जस्ट टेक योर स्पूली एंड देन जस्ट फिक्स इट अप. सामने था फिर भी मुझे दिख नहीं रहा था. टेक योर स्पूली एंड जस्ट fix it up like this to help marinate and marry and smash everything. Yeah guys, that's it. I don't know you guys, I'm not very expert when it comes to eyebrows yet. I will become one day, but not yet. But I think it's a decent product. For like 250, what do you want? It just gives you the color, it gives you the payoff, and it makes your brows look good. I think this Renica palette. I'm up this shade right here and इस पे लगाएंगे. Just like this. Just blend it on your crease. Always start with your crease and go inside. That's the usual thing that lot, because usually I prefer looks that are easy, wearable, but I think I can experiment at times for you guys. So just like let me know. Shimmer add कर लूँगी थोड़ा सा ही, nothing much. रेने के आई शेडो पैलेट्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. सो अगर आपको कुछ डिसेंट बजट में चाहिए, रेने प्रोडक्ट्स. Rene is also such an inspiring brand. Yeah, the celebrities or like actors, when they open their makeup brand, they are not joking. They really know what they are doing, because I think it also comes from their experience कि वो लोग ने इतने साल मेकअप लगाया है, इतने साल मेकअप में काम किया है. So definitely they are very confident, you know, when they launch products, because they just know what they are doing it. And when your product is good, like your audience, people are going to buy it, you know. Just gonna take this blush, back of my hand, ऐसे मिक्स मैच करो. आई एम यूजिंग न्यूड स्टिक्स का ब्लश. टू गुड टू गुड टू गुड. अगर आपके पास 1500 रुपये है भाई, लेके आ जाओ, इन्वेस्ट कर लो, बिकॉज ये बहुत अच्छा ब्लश है. टेकिंग ऑन माई ब्लश और ब्लश ब्रश एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना अप्लाई इट हियर, यू गाइज, हियर, जस्ट लाइक दिस. आप एक्चुअली आपके हैंड्स से भी कर सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ रूल नहीं है, बट बस मुझे ऐसे ब्लश लगाने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मच ऑफ यूथफुलनेस, सी, एंड दिस ब्लश इज गुड. दिस इज इन द शेड न्यूड बफ, एंड बस मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे लगा देती हूँ. थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी लगाएंगे चलेगा, क्योंकि एनीवे मेरा वो आने वाला है, क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको, विंग दिस एंटायर लुक. तो बस मैं इतना लगा देती हूँ ताकि थोड़ी सी जान आ जाए मेरे फेस पे. मतलब ये मेरा नया तरीका है अप्लाई करने का, विच आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इट. जस्ट हियर, जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन द सेंटर एंड लुक एट दैट. आई यूज दिस इनिसफ्री सेटिंग पाउडर. ये नया पाउडर नहीं है, ये मैंने मेरे वीडियोस में यूज़ किया है, बट इट्स अ वेरी रीसेंट परचेज आई कैन से. ये मैंने बहुत टाइम से लेके नहीं रखा है, मेरे पास अभी लाइफ में ये पाउडर आया है. तो या इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम हेटिंग इट, सो इट्स अ नाइस रीसेंट पाउडर underneath my eye and set my eye. See, it definitely fills in your pore for your before makeup, after makeup, this, that, everything. I'm gonna apply here and here, because these are the places where we crease थोड़ा ज़्यादा. Bronzer, guys, I've hit pan. Start bronzing up my face like this, क्योंकि आज तो मैंने ये साइड कोई ब्लश लगाई नहीं है. तो now we'll just start setting our face using all the powder products. So contour, it actually just seeped into my skin, so in the beginning it will look a lot, but it will get marinated into your skin and then it will look very nice. क्या मेरे हाथ से सब गिर रहा है? Spread some rose water. This is a very nice hack. अगर आपके पास facial अगर आपके पास कोई makeup fixers नहीं है, rose water it is. Just apply it, you guys. Just really nice. I hope you guys can see it, but I can truly see the way my skin is looking so natural, beautiful, light, fresh. I'm loving it. Okay, now for my lipstick, I have another lip balm. This is actually their lip butter something called from Nykaa. This is their Nykaa butter balm, and it does the justice to its name. It is actually butter balm. Balmdegree.com, like it's butter. मैंने इतनी बार इसको मेरे lips पे लगाया and I feel like I've applied butter on my skin, on my lips. So great product. And the shade Pookie, and it's butter. And the fancy part is it comes with that pen kind of thing. तो आपको 1 2 करना है, ज़्यादा मत करना guys, ज़्यादा आ जाएगा अंदर नहीं जाएगा. तो 1 2, that's it. थोड़ा सा product लीजिए because it's extremely glossy and buttery, and I will show it to you right now. See.
Oh, can you see that? Guys, look at that.
So buttery, so creamy. I don't know मैं आपको कैसे समझाऊं, but it's extremely buttery and creamy, and it's like a butter bomb. Your lips are going to be hydrated. मुझे इसके बाद ग्लॉस लगाने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ता because my lips are just like so juicy and nice. So if you've not tried this product, my god, you should definitely try it. It has a tint to it, so it's amazing for your everyday, lipstick stuff. If you want something, this is the product. This is the lip balm. Try it out, and I loved it. And look at this, look at my lips. They're just like so nice. One more hair care product that I've been using since 3-4 months now. This is also my second time purchase, and this is from the brand Thrive Cosmetic or Thrive Co. This is their rosemary water hairspray. It's just like this much of bottle, a very affordable brand, very affordable bottle, and it literally has rosemary, and it's like rosemary water. I'll just like, that's it. That's how fine the mist is. Just take your hair, just like spritz it on your hair, on your scalp basically. ये मैं every alternate night करती हूँ, तो आपको रोज नहीं करना है. अगर आपको करना है कर सकते हो, but I suggest if you're a beginner, just do it every alternate night. So मैं वीक में 3 बार करती हूँ. तो right before I go to my bed, I'll just spritz this on my hair. Trust me guys, I could see the baby hair coming. Like truly I could feel it. So it's a great product if you have no time to do a lot of hair care. Then these products in the market are your way to go. So such water spray, spritz it, sleep over it, wash your hair, and you are good. So this is my second repurchase, and I have liked it because if I am buying it for the second time, it meant my heart really wanted it, really liked it, and that's why I've purchased it. So yeah, this is one of the products I wanted to give shout out to. I swore by this one thing and it helped me. So guys, if you do not have time to take care of your hair, just do these small changes in your routine. You will see the differences. That's how I revived my hair back. Everything was a hit. But if I have to pick few 1-2 products from this entire new collection, my one product will be my plum perfume. This, I'm swearing by it. It's too good, too nice, and it's just amazing. And I love the way it smells, and it just makes me smell like I've come out of a bakery. So I love this product. To be this Nykaa butter bomb lippy thingy, too good. Like it just like makes my lips so buttery, soft and kissable. Like I'm not even kidding. This is a great product. मैंने ऐसा कभी कुछ देखा नहीं है. Even the lip balm, I've not watched any lip balm like this. So this is a great and absolutely must product. My favorite brand, Bioderma, for my skincare. Period. No more words for this brand. If you want something new for your skincare, you want trustable, worthy of your penny, Bioderma it is. So Yeah, you guys, I hope you liked this video. Please keep on liking it. Please keep on telling me आपको क्या देखना है, and I will keep on creating it. But that's the look. I am liking the glow it's given, and it's for sure because of my sunscreen and my moisturizer. Yeah, you guys, that's it from my end. I will see you in my videos. Until then, bye. Take care.